Hi guys, I am Hitesh and today I am here with this product which is application actually you can say which is instant traffic app and what problem this product will solve. Actually, if you are just tired by applying and using and trying so much methods for getting traffic, so just because of this tool you will get instant traffic. You can just read here, okay, totally automated system it is. You can use from one dashboard which clones best converting traffic funnel and directs customer to the best converting offers multiple commission sources. You will see inside this, and you can use emails, Facebook, YouTube, and multiple other sources. Okay, so guys, it may be too much useful for you. It may be very dazzler product. So guys, this is member access area which you can see directly in front of you. This is member access area. This is about list building app, and actually each and everything we will discuss, no worry about that. But before that we should use this one. Actually there's some features you are going to get. Okay, when you will go through the link below, okay, you will just redirect on this page. You can click any yellow button out of them and you will directly redirect on this page. Later you will be able to watch all these things, which is brand new instant traffic app and floods of targeted bias traffic, multiple streams. Actually guys, two most important things which you are going to get here, which is autopilot, and second thing is multiple streams. Okay, so this is the combination of this both features. Okay, this tool is completely combination of both these features, you can see. So this is actually application where you will just control your all things on autopilot. Okay, so you have to just register, you have to just log in, you have to just learn each and everything from here. I will tell you, no worry about that. But the main thing is what you are going to get multiple streams. Not you are going to get multiple streams, you already have multiple streams, but you are going to get traffic from multiple streams on the autopilot mode, guys. Okay, so all these things you can directly just read. Okay, you can go through the page below. Okay, you can go through the link below, you can redirect here, you can read each and everything which I already mentioned on the page. Now we will discuss each and everything which is member access area. Now this is instant traffic app, you can see here. Now this is video which you have to follow. This is 3-minute video, you can see here, 3-minute video. So you have to just do all these things I'm just doing right now in front of you. Before that we should just read this. What is this? You will need register an account and at our list building tool, guys. It's too much easy. Okay, it's too much actually important, because if you are email marketer, okay, and you already know about the list building, okay, it takes too much time, guys. And it is not about only taking too much time, guys. You already know the industry average in email marketing. Okay, so if you have 100 emails in your list, so generally you can make $100 per month. Okay, this is industry average. If you have 1,000 emails in your list, you can make thousands dollar per month. Okay, so according to that industry average, you are going to get too much powerful thing, guys, which is the list building tool, you can see here. Okay, so when you do this, please make sure you use the exact same email address which you used on your purchase. Okay, guys, so always take care about this. This is quite simple. And okay, so guys, I'm just clicking on this button, so let's see what will come. Okay, it is going to load. Till then we will discuss some more things. Here this is login the app button, guys. It may be I'm not able to show you this because I'm just on right now on my desktop. Okay, so just because of that, I'm not able to show you the application, but I will try to click on this all things, and this is landing page comes in front of you. So guys, let me show you some already exist. Okay, so let me show you guys some wait guys, what should I do? uh okay, let me put some new email address here, you can say. So we will just see what will happen. I'm just doing in front of you directly. uh, so guys, I'm just registering, and this is list building app, you can see here. Okay, so okay, uh, let me show you guys what is coming in front of you by using this application. Actually, guys, it will reduce your time. Okay, it will reduce your hard work. Okay, guys, this is completely new dashboard, you can see. Okay, so this one is your first dashboard you can see, okay, which you have to just follow some instruction. You have to just go through some buttons and some processes you can say, and later you will just redirect to the another thing. Okay, so guys, so we will discuss each and everything, guys. It maybe take some time, but you have to put, actually you have to pay some attention, and always you will need some time to give on this video, and then you will be able to understand each and everything, guys. So this is first video, this is for 6 minutes you can see. This is second video, another, this, and which is for 1 minute you can see. And this is traffic funnel. So this is get responder integration, guys. This is too much easy. Okay, so I'm not going with this. You have to put your API key directly, and your get respond integration will be done from here. So then after this integration, you will be able to control your completely get response application directly from the inside in this member access area. Now this is some sites you can see. Other affiliate links, ClickBank is already available, so I'm just going to click on this one. So let's see what will come in front of you. I just clicked on this, so it is going to load. Till then we should talk about all these other functions. So I'm just clicking on this manage pages, landing pages. Let me show you guys this one. What is, okay guys, your 4 affiliate link directly you can put, guys. Okay, so always directly, guys, always you
Okay,
should
so
try.
one of the
Let me
things you
see
want to
what is
do is
coming inside this. Okay, so this is 3 minute video, guys. Okay, you can see 3 minute 48 second video, guys. So I'm just not running this one. Okay, just because just you have to follow this video to put your link. And guys, this is okay, I'm just putting this one for example. Guys, always try to keep different products link, and main important thing is what, always try to put those that type of the links only whose which product are already interrelated somewhere. Okay, so when you will do this type of things, so there will be higher chances to get some conversions, some CTRs, some leads, whatever you are looking for. Okay guys, so it will be for that. Okay, so I'm just going to save this. Okay, so okay, so it's done, guys, from my side. Okay, so right now we should go okay, what we did, okay, I think we finished this one. Okay, so now I am right now, yes, I'm just wait guys, wait. Okay, so I'm just closing this one, guys. Okay, so landing page, manage pages, landing pages. Okay, let me show you this one, and this is manage pages. Let me show you this one also. This is pay per click, which is PPC advertising, guys, for Google. Okay, so FB, YouTube pages from Google, you can just, okay, you can also do other things also. This is for pay per click, manage FB, YouTube pages, guys. You can, okay, let me show you this one. Before that we should go through this. So this is, guys, this is landing page. Okay guys, and this is manage pages. Okay, no, sorry guys, this is landing page, and this is for manage pages. Okay, so these are some previews, guys. So these all things are done for you, guys. Okay, you have to just take knowledge from here. Okay, see, this
okay.
is
So
4
now
minute
that
video
you've
you can see.
actually
Okay, it maybe this is just because of white color you are not able, but
set up
I
your
hope you
autoresponder
are
and put in
just
your
able to watch this number. Okay, so you have to just follow this video. Okay, and then later you will be able to use all this, okay, all these functions. Okay guys, so these are some managed pages. You can create your own page from here. Okay, just follow this video, which is 4 minute video you can see
okay. So
here.
now
Okay, you have to just follow these instructions which you are going to get inside this video. Okay, so just going to click on this button, guys. Let's see what will come. Okay, just give it a time, guys. Install email marketing pages. Okay, same thing, guys. Okay, same thing which we are getting here. Okay, see, this and this is completely same. So just you can, actually what you have to do, you have to just use one out of them related to your niche or product. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to preview this one. Okay guys, so I'm just going to preview this one, and if we love this page, we will obviously install this one, and we will see what we can do, what we can play around. So guys, it will look like this, you can see here. Okay, so your website, okay, your funnels, whatever you can say, okay, directly you can clone for your particular affiliate link. Okay, yes, I want to make here, you will paste your link. Okay, here I'm repeating, here you will paste your affiliate link, guys. Okay, okay, this is too much pretty cool pages. Okay, not much information collecting type of the page. Okay, this page is not containing too much information. only just squeeze pages type, it is okay. So this is only actually your visitor will only focus on this. Okay, this, see, this is also for flash message and something like that, pop-up message. So chances of getting some good conversions, good traffic, and good leads, everything whatever you are looking for, the chances will be too much high. See guys, okay. So uh according to me guys, this is I think too much good. And obviously I will use this because I love this product guys. Okay guys, so this was preview guys. So let's see if I want to install. So let me install another one. I'm just installing this one guys. Okay, just showing you. So guys, this is theme URL. I don't know, for example, I'm just putting fashion here. Okay, so ClickBank integration affiliate link right now I don't have, so I'm just using my random this one affiliate link guys. Get responders integration guys, I don't have right now. So let me leave it blank. Okay, we should try with these two options. So I'm just going to click on this. Okay guys, I'm sorry for that guys, because I don't have this number, but I hope you got my point. Okay, when you will put your integration key here, API key, so you will be able to install theme, and later you can just use your this page. Okay, just like we just watched right before. Okay, so that's how it will work guys. Okay, so I'm done. Yes, I'm done this thing. And what is here? Okay, so we should go ahead with this guys. Okay, I'm just closing this one, and this is what it is. Actually, it is taking time too much guys. Okay, just pay attention and give it a time. This is guys for install FB and YouTube pages. Okay, directly you can see here FB theme 2. So just 1 minute video guys, you have to follow this video, and instructions which you are going to get in this video, you have to follow this one. For example, I'm going to just preview this one guys. Okay, later we will try to install this one. Preview will come here after some time. Till then we should install this, so we can be able to save our time. Okay, so theme URL, for example, affiliate link, I'm just putting my affiliate link like this. Again, I don't have this one, theme URL, luxury. Okay, guys, again, you can do some ClickBank integration, and you can just put your ClickBank, whatever link and something like that. Okay, so you will get some nickname and something like that. Actually, this is not too much difficult. You will get what I want to say you. Okay, so I don't have this one guys. So again, I'm not able to do this, but no worry, you will be able to create all these type of the things. Okay guys, so this is the preview. You can see I'm going to show you this something like this. Again, this is theme landing pages. This is guys actually opt-in page. Okay, so just because of this page, you will be able to get some leads. Okay, for example, this and this, and if I show me now, if I click on this, you will get this thing. You will get this thing within your list. Okay, which list you are I'm talking about? I'm talking about get response integration, because get response is available for list. Okay guys, so just on that list you can perform email marketing campaign. Okay, just because of this tool. Okay, that is how you will be able to build your list. Okay guys, which I already told you before. So okay guys, I'm done from my side. This is name and or something like that. Okay, I'm done from my side, so I'm just closing this one. And what is here, this is again something like that. This will be open. Okay, something like this and this, which I already showed you. So guys, broadcast email directly, you can just send so much emails to your list. Okay, by using this get response integration. So this is for that. Now this is guys instant traffic source. So let me show you this one. Now guys, this is live training. Just go and join this one. Okay, this is for you. So you have to just go for this. I just clicked on this. This is just loading. So okay, it's done. Secret traffic source. Traffic is most critical. All these things you can read, guys. Okay, but just finish this video. 5 minute video you can see.
Okay, the purpose of
Okay,
this video is to share a little math with
you. You have to just finish this one. And again, some later one more video, 3 minute video. Okay, you have to just finish this one also. And you here you will get visit the traffic funnel options. Okay, I'm just going to visit guys. Okay, and let's see what will come. So you have to just finish these two videos, guys, so that you will be able to understand this secret traffic source. Okay, guys, you can see here. Okay, this traffic source. So this is, guys, solo ads. Okay, this is about solo ads because here written is already written here. So guys, now when I click on this button, which button, guys? This button. Okay, you can see this button. Okay, so I will redirect to here, and just you can see this 1 minute video. Okay, register for free account. Nice thing, guys, it is. You don't have to pay much more and more. You can just register for free account. So I am just going to click on this. So let's see what will come. So I'm just, guys, I'm just closing this one because this is I already shown you. Okay, just read all this thing, guys. See, Facebook advertising, and this is too much, guys, too much knowledge here available because okay, I'm not able to show you each and everything because it will take too much time, guys. Okay, I'm just repeating again. I clicked on this button which is available here also, and this one is coming in front of you. So guys, this is the traffic funnel again. Okay, guys, so you have to just sign up again. So let me show you this one more. Okay, password. Email is already exist. Okay, using another one, and let's see. So guys, I just accept it and just sign up, guys. Okay, just put your email list, not email list, put your detail which you just provided right now, and just do login. Okay. Okay, guys, so you have to just wait for this. Okay, so you will get this one thing also, guys. Actually, according to me, you are going to get too much value. Okay, I discussed each and everything with you. Okay, I don't need to repeat, guys. Okay, as per my knowledge. So guys, we discussed each and everything, guys. Okay, so I'm just closing all these things. So I'm just repeating again, guys. You don't have to work too much for getting traffic. You are getting too much value inside this. Okay, just because of this tool you will be able to do some email marketings also, and just because of this tool you will be able to some email marketings also. You can put directly your links, affiliate links, offer links. Email marketing you are already going to get. Landing pages you are already going to get. Some PPC advertise options also available. Broadcast email, too much thing, guys. Okay, and this is one more member access area where we you will learn all this thing. Okay, guys, so I didn't show you this thing, guys, or I didn't show you this thing also because we directly redirected to here. So guys, I'm just closing this one. I hope you got all these points. Okay, I think I don't need to explain you more in depth. So I'm just, guys, closing this. So here is, I'm just going to click this one right now. Let me show you what is coming inside, because we generally go through this button and later we got some more dashboards, and we were spent too much time there. So this building app. Okay, again, we are going to same thing. Okay, so I already discussed all these things. So I think I already clicked on this button. I think we should click on this and let's see what will come in front of us. Later, you have to just install the Traffic Funnel phone application, guys. Okay, I already did sign up in front of you. For Android, this link. For iPhone, this link. Okay, and just control all these things from your mobile directly. Okay, guys, you don't need to do login again and again, guys. Okay, this is the Traffic Funnel. I already did this. Okay, guys. So I hope I shown you each and everything, guys. I'm just going to log out. Okay, and now you can see, guys, actually you can just go through the link below. You will able to read all these things. Okay, and more information, if you click any of the yellow button out of this, you can see here any of the yellow button out of this. Actually, these are some my bonuses, guys. You are already going to get. Don't worry about that. I'm not showing you my bonuses. Okay, like others. Okay, just go outside and you will know the value of this. Okay, I in my every video I tell these things. Okay, so when you come on this page again by clicking on that yellow button, you will get more information, guys, here. Okay, more information. Complete information bundle is here. Go and clear your doubt. Clear your doubt. Still, if you left any doubt, just you can comment down below. Okay, we will meet and I will just try to resolve your queries, guys. Okay, guys. So from my side, I'm done, guys. We will meet with another masterpiece soon. Till then, bye.